Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So, these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And today I'll be picking one card for the message from your person and one fortune cookie for y'all today, Leos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Leos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have book. We will keep these cards here. Sun and clover. So in your circumstances, Leos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are trying to understand something, maybe trying to understand the right solution in your career. Maybe you have some circumstance, you want clarity or you want to make a decision, important decision today. So you're thinking about something, and today you are getting that knowledge, maybe that understanding. So what needs to be done and what is the right way to do certain things. So you have a clear idea, and maybe you are learning something, learning a new skill, learning maybe attending a workshop, something of that sort, improving your knowledge, or maybe in this relationship you have a very good understanding with this person. You were hoping for clarity in this relationship. Maybe you wanted to know something about this person, and today they themselves are telling you, or you may have someone, a friend, maybe both of your common friends, someone is revealing something important, some kind of a knowledge about this person. So you have a very good understanding today of this person you love, and maybe you would have faced some difficulties in this relationship. Maybe there would have been some misunderstanding, something in the past, but today everything is changing and things are changing. Your circumstances are definitely changing, Leos. This person loves you and they know you, and just like that, you know this person and you have a good understanding between you both. And today you are going to be really lucky. It may be in your personal life, maybe you're going to be really lucky in love or lucky in your career. Some kind of an unbelievable luck working in your life today. So whatever you were wishing or hoping, maybe you never expected it to come so soon, but that is what is happening today. Something you never expected is happening today, and you are really feeling blissful and happy, thanking the universe or thanking God for this circumstance. You are really grateful for the way things have turned up in your life, in this relationship. And this lucky chance, maybe it may be a lucky chance in love, maybe This person is proposing to you just when you are thinking of proposing to them. Something like that, some kind of a coincidence, something you never expected to happen today in your life. So that is what is happening today, but you need to understand that this lucky chance is something like it's not going to last forever. It's just a chance. So you just need to grab it and make use of this chance immediately before it disappears. So you need to be attentive, be ready to get lucky today, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards. So for your relationship, we have one more card. We will see what it is. It is Bear. So this person is someone really concerned about you. Maybe they may look like someone dominating, someone imposing their ideas or suggestions on you, but they are really concerned, honestly concerned about you. That is the reason they are suggesting you certain things. So you can trust this person, and this person is a reliable person, and you both are going to get very lucky in love, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your work circumstances, your career. We have one card, Scythe. So in your career, there may be changes happening. Maybe something may get suspended. There may be certain projects that may get delayed or suspended. Some kind of negative impact may be there in your work. But you need to understand that your circumstances are changing for the better. So something is ending and something much better than that is coming today in your career circumstance, Leos. So that is the energy here with these cards, Leos. Let's see what is the message from your person today for your Leos. You have affected my life significantly. So this card just means that you have been a very great influence on this person. Maybe they are changing or they have changed so much because of you. That is the meaning here, and that is the message they want to tell you today, Leos. So for your fortune cookie today, we will see what is the card. Sexuality. Existing relationships could find a new passion and heightened sexual attraction. Opportunities for marriage and good family life are strong, but if single, beware of temptation that could lead to trouble. A child will also bring great joy. So, just like we said, maybe this may be your lucky chance for marriage, for a committed, positive relationship, Leos. So that is the reading for y'all today, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Leos. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.